In this video, I'm going to review Spirited Away, which is a Japanese movie we released in 2001. So this review will be divided into many parts. The first I will discuss the positive side of the movie, and then I will discuss the negative side of the movie, and after that I will discuss what value I earned from the movie, and then I will recommend who should watch this movie. So before getting late, let's start. Let's first talk about the positive side of the movie. So the first positive thing is that the animation work done in this movie is brilliant. At that time, 2001, almost 20 year back. They done a great animation work, and every character drawn, every movement, every scenery are animated very perfectly to make audience feel that they are into the story. So animation work is perfect. Next nice thing about this movie is the background music of the movie. So background music of the movie is the main power of this movie to enhance and encourage audience to watch this movie completely, because the background music are very silent, perfect, and at the point to convince the audience what going on in the scene. So that was really awesome. So second positive thing was background music, and the third positive thing is the perfect direction. This movie has a brilliant direction. Director work really hard to and make this movie, so the direction work is really perfect. So now discuss the negative side of this movie, which I don't like it. There are many points come in this movie where you feel very illogical. Means I know the movies are always frictional based, but there is some base logic, some common sense also. But that movie break a lot of common sense, simple thing, which I find little bit weird. But that's almost perfect. But it sometimes feel illogical. So that's it. The first negative thing of this about this movie. This movie is not contain only one story. Just there is a basic story, but in the base story there are various small stories which tell different kind of values to the audience. But the point is that they sometimes feel they are messed up, sometimes they confuse the audience, but the brilliant direction make it simple at the end of this movie. So this is a little bit problem I faced. So the story sometimes get messed up, so that was a little problem about this movie. So there was a two negative thing about this movie. So let's discuss what value you should earn from this movie. I personally earned lot of values from this movie. As I told, there are lot of stories in between. There is single story, but there are also small incident, small part of the movie which give up very powerful value or life lesson to the audience. So I like that part. So I personally do not reveal that because that gonna spoil the movie. So for that I'm not going to tell any value. So now recommendation time, who should watch this movie. So I personally believe that if anyone is any anime fan or Japanese movie fan, should go and watch this movie. And by the way, this movie is in the English dub, so you don't have to watch the lyrics or subtitle in the movie. So that's also good. Also, if you like to watch silent movie, like if you like to watch silent voice, your name type of movies, and you like to watch some adventurous type of movie where you explore a new world, so that's all, that's movie also for you. So so if you like to watch animation, and if you like to watch adventures type movie, and if you would like to explore a new world, if you like to watch Jumanji 2, this movie is also gonna give you the same chill. So you got that, you should watch this movie. So that was my review. If you like my review, please hit that like button, or also you can press that subscribe button so you cannot miss my upcoming videos. So thank you for watching.